Okay, good morning everyone. In last lecture, we discussed about deficiency of disease. Today we recall it and also finish whatever the remaining part of this topic. Okay. Okay. So in deficiency disease, we talk about first of all we talk about obesity. So the first one is obesity. Okay. Let us see what is obesity. Okay, so the first is obesity. An increase in the body weight is known as obesity. Whatever we take as carbohydrates, that carbohydrates make more and more fat in our body, and then this fat produce in our body who increase the weight of the body. That's why the disease a disease which cause the increase of body weight is known as obesity. Now talk about second one is Kawasaki. It is a disease caused by protein deficiency in children. So basically it is a disease actually happen in children. Okay, so it is basically caused by protein. It is basically caused by protein deficiency of protein cause Kawasaki. Okay, now let us read some more information about it. The stomach becomes swollen, legs become thin, and the skin become ugly patches. So these are the symptoms of this disease, that become thin, that become ugly patches on skin. So leg become thin and ugly patches on skin. So these are the stomach is also in problem. So these all are the symptom of this disease. Okay, now the talk about next one is marasmus. Okay, what is marasmus? It is a disease in children. It is a disease in children by the deficiency of protein, carbohydrates and protein. So basically marasmus is a disease caused by these three things. First carbohydrate, second is protein, and third is fat. Okay, what is the symptom? The child becomes so thin, that becomes so thin that lose fold of skin, over the body. Okay, if the child is not getting treatment at right time, then it really face very dangerous scene. Okay, in their life, whatever the things are there. And if Kawasaki disease children is not treated at time, then the mental and physical growth of child become slow. Okay, so these are the some brief acknowledgement about obesity, Kawasaki and marasmus. You need to write down in your copy and remember it carefully. I repeat, write down these all things in your notebook. Remember it. These all are deficiency disease, which is also important for your examination point of view. Okay. Okay. So the next is scurvy. Let us see what is scurvy. It is a disease caused due to lack of vitamin C. It is a disease. It is a disease basically caused due to the lack of vitamin C. Lack of vitamin C. Okay. The main symptom of scurvy are symptoms of scurvy are swelling and bleeding. Swelling and bleeding of gums and wounds not healing properly. Okay, so these are the symptom of scurvy. So basically scurvy are disease caused by vitamin C. Okay, what are the symptoms? Symptoms are swelling and bleeding of gums, okay, from our teeth. Okay, so we need to protest it by eating more and more resources who gives us vitamin C. We also know that what are the source of vitamin C. In table 2.1 it gives you data. Resources are there. What are the sources? These are the symptom. Symptoms. Now we talk about sources. Let us see what are the sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C, the sources of vitamin C are amla, and second one is tomatoes. Next is green leafy vegetable. We have to more focus on green leafy vegetables. We need to focus on green vegetable. Okay, green leafy vegetables. Okay, okay, etc. Okay, so this is all about scurvy. Now we talk about next deficiency disease.